Hello friends, today I'm going to do my second tutorial in Linux command tutorial. So guys, I'm going to show how to use ls command. We use ls command to list computer files, list files inside this Linux environment. So Linux OS. So let's see how to do it. So this is the ls command. I'm going to list files inside the root. These are the files inside our root. So guys, you can use this ls command to list files inside the directory. I'm going to use this download directory folder. So for that I'm going to type ls space, then download. You don't need to type whole word, press tab, then it is autofill, press enter. You can see it's we can see what are the inside files and directories. Now I'm going to show how to get as a list these files. ls space dash l, then we can get this information as a directory. You can see that created time, date, year, a month, every details as a list. Now I'm going to get hidden files. Before that I'm going to go to that downloads directory. For that we use cd command. I'll explain that cd command in my next tutorial. So for that please subscribe my YouTube channel. Downloads. Now we are in downloads directory. Press ls. You can see inside that directory these are the information. You saw that in this command in here. So okay, guys, now I'm going to show how to get hidden files. For that dash we need to use a, then we can get hidden files. These two dots are some hidden files inside this directory. We don't know what are those hidden files, but in here we didn't see that files. If you create any hidden files using some names, then you can see it inside that directory. You can get these details as a list using al, then we can get as a list. These are the created date and the month. These are created years. You can see these details. So next I'm going to show we can list these all the files in current and subdirectories. Let's see how to do it. Dash I'm going to list these. For that we need to use l, then r. You can see we can get those details as a files in current and subdirectories. So next command we use we can get these files in size. We need if we need to get file sizes, then we need to type ls dash then ls as a list is mean that size, then we can get the file sizes. You can see sorry, in here these are the file sizes, and in here also we can get that information. In this line we can get file sizes. I'll show you. Wait, this file cmu bomb. In here also showing that file size. You can see 26 bytes. That's it is showing bytes, not kilobyte. It is showing that details in within bytes. You can see. So if you need to get this information like size in reverse, for that I'm going to use dash l s r, then we can get these information as in reverse format. You can see in here we got details in last line, in here we got it in the first line. These are the file sizes, you can see file sizes. So this file size is showing in bytes, you can see. So next I'm going to list these files in time. You can see according to time we got that file names according to the time, and this is how it's use this command to get according to that time we got that file names. Now I'm going to show how to use get more information list files and directories according to that time, and for that we need to use this command. We can go, I got it in a reverse format, you can see. We can use R command to that get in answer in reverse format. So next I'm going to show guys inside the file we can get inside that file we can get word count. For that I'm going to use this answer.txt wc dash l, then answer.txt is only include one line, one word line. Let's see, it's include answer.txt. You can see only one word line. If I put space and 1 2 3, then save it. Okay, now I'm going to check that one wc dash l answer.txt. okay, 3 lines because it's include this is the first line, this is the second one, this is space, and this is the third one. So this is how to get word count and word list count inside the file. So guys, this is how to use ls command to get some information inside our Linux environment. So this is the end of the tutorial. I'll show you how to use cd command in next tutorial. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel, please comment and share. So guys, thank you very much.